In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up GitHub Copilot in VS Code. By the end, you'll have Copilot installed, signed in, and ready to assist you as you write code inside Visual Studio Code. First, open Visual Studio Code on your computer. If you haven't used it in a while, it's a good idea to make sure it's updated so extensions work smoothly. Once it's open, look to the left side of the window for the activity bar. Find the extensions icon. It looks like a set of small squares, and click it. If you prefer shortcuts, you can press Ctrl, Shift and X together to jump straight to the extensions view. In the search bar at the top of the extensions panel, type GitHub Copilot. You should see the GitHub Copilot extension appear in the results. Take a quick moment to confirm you're selecting the official extension. When you're ready, click Install. VS Code will download and set it up for you. This may take a few moments depending on your connection. Quick note while that installs, I've placed the official download link for Visual Studio Code and the link to the GitHub Copilot page right at the top of the description, so you can grab them quickly if you need to install VS Code or read more about Copilot. Feel free to pause the video and check those out if you're not already set up. Once the installation finishes, you'll be prompted to sign in to GitHub. Click Sign in to GitHub. Your default browser will open and ask you to authorize access. Log into your GitHub account if you aren't already, then approve the authorization so VS Code can connect to Copilot. This step links the extension to your account and enables the AI features inside your editor. When the browser confirms success, return to VS Code. Back in VS Code, Copilot will be ready to use. You don't need to run any extra commands, just start typing in a code file. You'll notice inline suggestions appear as faint, ghosted text. Press Tab to accept a suggestion or keep typing to refine what Copilot proposes. If you ever want to check that it's active, look for the Copilot status in the lower bar of VS Code. That's it. You launched VS Code, opened the extensions view, searched for GitHub Copilot, installed it, signed in to GitHub through your browser, and now Copilot is ready to help you code faster and with more confidence. Thanks for watching.